In today's video, we have gotten our hands on some highly volatile chemicals, and we're going to combine them in some ways you probably shouldn't.
Guys, we've got some fun chemicals in the lab today. We've got some liquid oxygen, some nitroglycerin, our chemical X, and we're going to be combining these in some fun ways. Now, to help us out with the stability, I do have a stabilizing agent, which I'm going to try and grab now.
Now, of course, when you're handling different sorts of chemicals like this, you need to be very, very cautious. So in the studio today, no!
Guys, we put out a lot of videos, and every once in a while we need some help coming up with ideas, and so what we've done is we went ahead and we programmed a random idea generator into a computer, and it starts kicking out ideas really quick, and we decided, hey, this is a lot better. From now on, we'll just use the computerized random idea generator. So today we've got 7 of those ideas that we chose, and we're gonna see how they work out. They're a little on the odd side.
No, these are perfectly normal.
Are they?
Here's the basic idea. We have built a random idea generator. You've seen us use this in the past. Well, it started giving us some really good ideas, so we're gonna try them all out.
All right, let's get started. Number 1. No, you're wrong. You shouldn't do that. Ew.
Oh, no. All right, well, I committed, so.
I, for one, had no idea that Jell-O would melt with a blowtorch. She did. She knew exactly what I was gonna do, but not every given suggestion involves heating or cutting things, but I think all of the ones we selected might.
Weird.
It kicks out like dozens at once, and so we just picked 7 good ones.
Yep.
Next. Tried grilling a baseball glove with a panini grill.
There, we did it.
You guys weren't suggesting good enough ideas in the comments, so we had to go and make a computer do it instead.
And these ideas are fantastic.
Thanks.
All right, on to the next one.
I got sprayed with cheese.
At least I don't eat sawdust.
Doesn't taste like sawdust.
Oh, good. Well, as long as it doesn't taste like it. Just drop a handful.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this will be good. This is gonna be good. Max.
Ah, very thoroughly stuck to the iron. We should point out this is actually a plastic cactus.
No cacti were harmed in the making of this video.
Don't do this to your iron.
Good news.
It's on fire.
We set it on fire. I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, now though, see, now I'm just curious, like this is just full of rubber, so I gotta know.
Oh dear.
Guys, there's a reason that everything on the list was either cutting or burning things.
The cactus is on fire.
It's fine.
A lot.
It's fine. I like the random idea generator. That's better.
All right.
Yeah. It shot across the room. Let's do it again.
Yep.
I did not know that Peeps on Fire made smoke rings. I got this for you.
Happy Easter to me. This is my ninja way. Whatever that means. I was told it's important to say that.
I like this.
I think it chopped into the cheese and then split when it hit the ground.
Okay, ready?
Ah, ah.
Ready? Wait, are you ready?
Powdered! I can't chop powdered!
Okay, okay.
It's not the sharpest katana blade ever.
I'd say I'm sorry.
I'm sure this is also the most strongly I've ever smelled of cheese. Guys, that's all we've got for today's April Fool's Day video. No, we're not going to be using the computer-generated random ideas for everything from now on. But you know, we've always got more for you to see. That box at the top is going to take you directly to our last video. You should go check that out. The other box is going to show you what YouTube thinks you should be watching next. And if you hit this bomb here in the middle, you'll be subscribed to the channel. That way you never miss out on a cool video. Don't forget to ring that bell, and we'll see you in the next one. Talk to you then.